I had no idea that bird shooting is a huge factory farming industry. I thought it was just a few wild pheasants being shot for sport. But millions of birds are actually bred in cramped, filthy conditions, just like chickens. And every year, around 50 million pheasants and partridges are bred and released into the countryside. Just to die for entertainment. Let's end this cycle of suffering. Sign the petition and join the movement to end bird shooting.